Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're having a fish fry. I got some of the leftover flounder fillets, the frozen ones, so I thawed them out and we're going to use a little Cajun breading. We're going to deep fry them, so stick around and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, I had a couple small flounder fillets left over, so we're going to roll them in some Cajun fish frying breading, and we're going to deep fry them. So I'm going to get my oil started heating up here and get our batter laid out here. Start with that much to start. So, alright, got our fish ready, batter ready. Let me get this oil heated up and then we'll start frying up some fish. Alright y'all, that oil feels hot enough, so we're going to try to get a few of these breaded up. This is like a cornmeal style breading. We're going to put a couple, 2 or 3 here, 4 in the breading. Get them coated up before we drop them in so they kind of cook evenly. And I've used this breading on other fish and it's really good. It's got a little bite to it, but it's still good. So this nice thing about this flounder is it's pretty thin, so it should cook up pretty quickly. So alright, let's get these dropped in there. While those are cooking, we'll get some more battered up here. Or coated up, I guess. It's not really a batter. Alright, do a little flippy action on these. Like I said, it won't take long. These are pretty thin pieces, so. Check it out, y'all, I'm multitasking. Alright. Let's get some more of these dropped in here. Alright, those first ones should be done. Oh yeah, they're toasty, crispy brown. Look at that. Alright. There's none left in our seasoning there. Get rid of this stuff. I'm going to wash my hands up while those are cooking. That one's done. Give him this little flip action here. Y'all look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that is beautifully golden brown. Ooh, look at that, nice and flaky. Oh, oh yeah. I'll wipe our stove up here a little bit. Oil's a little splattering a little bit, so. Alright. Alright. When they quit kind of bubbling like that, they're done. Like I said, this is real thin fish, so it doesn't take very long at all to cook all the way through. So I'm going to shut the heat off and finish pulling these out. Let them drain. We'll let them cool a little bit, and then we'll do our taste test. So, all right, quick and easy. Bring y'all back for the taste test. All right, y'all. It's time for the taste test, and I want to blame this meal here on Go-Karts and Gone Fishing. Nate and Christina. I was sitting there watching our live stream yesterday. They were out fishing. They're talking about catching fresh fish for dinner. Yeah, I just happened to have this in the freezer, so it's all you all's fault. So let's try one of these nuggets. Y'all, that's delicious. That little bit of spice, that Cajun seasoning, that is delicious, y'all. So there you have it. Deep fried flounder. So works good with catfish. I've done catfish. I've done walleye, whitefish. You know, that seasoning really brings it out. I like the cornmeal breading style. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and go over and check out go over and check out Go-Karts Are Gone Fishing. Nate and Christina over there. They're some good people, and they do some pretty good videos. Excellent live streams. So love y'all, and hit them up for some stickers too, y'all. I got mine in the mail the other day. So there you have it. Bon appetit.